Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Infiniti QX80. First, make sure your vehicle is safely in park and the engine is running. Then, navigate to the main menu on your infotainment screen. From there, you will want to select the Settings option. Before proceeding, double-check that Bluetooth is activated on your mobile device and that it is set to be discoverable by other devices. This initial setup ensures a smooth connection process. Now that you are in the Settings menu, locate and select the Bluetooth option. Within the Bluetooth menu, you will typically find an option to Add New Device or Connect Device. Tap on this to initiate the pairing process. Your Infiniti QX80 will then begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth-enabled devices. This step is crucial for your vehicle to detect your phone and prepare for the connection. Once your QX80 has finished scanning, a list of available devices will appear on the screen. Find and select your phone's name from this list. Immediately after, a unique 6-digit PIN will be displayed on both your vehicle's screen and your mobile phone. It is very important to verify that these two numbers match exactly. Confirm the PIN on both devices to finalize the secure Bluetooth connection. Congratulations! Your phone is now successfully connected to your Infiniti QX80 via Bluetooth. You can now enjoy a variety of features, including making and receiving hands-free phone calls and streaming your favorite music or podcasts directly through the vehicle's sound system. Your phone book and recent call history will also synchronize, providing seamless access. This integration enhances both safety and convenience during your drives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.